Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, part 2 on this. It's just an optical illusion. This looks like it's so much further apart, but it's just because it's smaller. But there is a way around that if you want to know more evenly. So we're going to take these two and we're going to go to Effects and Blend. And I very seldom have ever done this. We're going to blend them 5 times. And I've got it set on like the middle and it looks like that. But if we slide this bar just a little bit past the middle and hit apply, now they look more evenly. It's like an acceleration. But they look a lot better like that. So just play around with your acceleration on your object. And other than that, I don't know another way around it because we tried to, align them and distribute, and they all came up aligned, so that's what it is. So here's one I've done with a little bit of acceleration that it makes it look like they're at least even. Anyway, I hope that made a little bit of sense, and thank you for watching.